welcome to Bar Z. My name's Stan, and we brought you in with just a montage of a lot of the prizes and raffles and grand prizes and things like that we've got here at the Bash. And I wanted to go through the sponsor list with you guys and have this kind of one-stop shopping everywhere. There's discount codes. I want to make them known. So I'm going to start at the top and just kind of work my way down. These are in no particular order, but I will stop and comment on each one. Niagara Tool, Seco Niagara. They are sponsoring us this year with tooling and prize packages for the Bar Z Challenge as well as the raffle. Edge Technologies, same thing. For the Bar Z Challenge, they've given us some nice prizes, and for the general raffle. American Rotary, our main sponsor, is giving away a phase converter, and that has not been drawn yet. You can enter to win that, link below. They also are giving us a discount code if you're in the market for a rotary phase converter. Over on their website, it is Bar Z18. Drill Hog, you probably saw some drill bits in that little picture display. Mike over at Drill Hog gave us some wonderful prizes to give away. Made in USA, lifetime warranty, good stuff. Anchor Chemical, we got Anchor Lube flying all over the place, and you get free samples and stuff, but they gave us that little Bose Bluetooth speaker, that's something everybody would love to get. So we thank Diana over at Anchor Chemical for that. Precision Matthews, Matt over there gave us that lathe you saw in the pictures. How awesome is that? Separate raffle. Discount code over at Precision Matthews is Bar Z18. So go check out Precision Matthews. MR Tool, Mark Rotowski, he's the guy that repairs all the our little indicators and stuff. We thank Mark for his support, and go check him out. James Harrell Design, go check him out on the web. All the artwork and stuff you see, for the Bash, the t-shirts, the banners, all the artwork, that's James Harrell. If you need some artwork done, he's very reasonable, very easy to work with. Go check out jamesharrelldesign.com. Turnright Machine Works, our friend Keith Finner. He gave us T-slot cleaners for everybody. He gave us 300 of those for all our guests. So how cool is that? Thank you, Keith Finner. And actually, some of his profits from the T-slot cleaners he donated to the Bash, so he helped support. So awesome, and thank you, Keith. Next up, Fireball Tool. You probably saw some of those really cool aluminum and cast iron squares for fabrication and fit up. Jason over there provided one of everything he makes, so beautiful. Go check him out, Fireball Tool. I think I'm going to get a set for myself. Those things are outstanding. Next up, Big Gator Tools. They've got a discount code. It's SAVE10. Gets you 10% off on checkout. Emily over there always takes good care of us, and thank you, Big Gator, for the tools you sent over for the raffle. All Industrial, another one of our big sponsors. They sponsor the Bar Z Challenge with the main prize packages for the Bar Z Challenge and the competitions we have going on here. They have two programs running. One is for a giveaway for a 3D printer or a $2,000 shopping spree, link below. The other one is they've got a discount code. It's 2018 Bash 10 discount code, 10% off anything in the store. Next up, Noga gave us some great prizes to give away. They do sponsor the Bar Z Challenge. That's the competitions for you guys, and also our general raffle. Engineers Black Book, Reen over there takes good care of us every year with his machinery handbook companions, those little pocket reference. Those things are great. They're a condensed version of machineries, and pretty much anything you need to know is in there. So go check out Engineers Black Book. Lincoln Electric is up next. They gave us, you saw the welding gear and stuff that they sent over. Just awesome stuff. And Jim Bollinger is teaching with all Lincoln material for the TIG Welding for Beginners class on Saturday. Next up is Empire Abrasives. You probably saw a table full of very impressive looking grinder wheels, hard discs, cutoff wheels, flat discs, and Scotch-Brite discs and things like that. Joe over there at Empire takes really good care of us. Go check them out on the web, empireabrasives.com. They've got a checkout code BARZ2018. So on top of their already good prices, they're going to give you a better price. So go check out Empire Abrasives. Standridge Granite, they're providing us with the tours and they give us support for the event every year. And I'd like to thank Yolanda, Mike, and Tony over at Standridge Granite. PTC Instruments, John Marcus, he gives us tours and support every year, as well as he donates his little 316 Rockwell C hardness tester. So we'd like to thank PTC Instruments for that. ZT Fabrication, Paul Braniger over there. A lot of you guys know, probably you saw A-Bomb building his cart. He just built his welding cart recently. Paul is the one that builds that knockdown kit, the welded together kit. He also makes some very nice accessories. He is donating some of the wall accessories and things this year, I think in stainless, so you don't even need to have them coated. But he's donating some of those for the raffle. And he's also got a checkout code, BARZ18, on checkout. Gets you a discount. Next up is Bob's Flags and Banners. He's donated a nice flagpole and flag kit for the raffle, as well as some other things. You probably saw him in the pictures on the way in. Go check him out on the web. Good pricing, fast delivery, personal service. So go check out Bob Giovannucci at bobsflagsandbanners.com, I think. But go check them out. They're in the high desert here in California. All right, guys, that's the vendor list. That's everything. I just thought I'd acknowledge everybody all in one fell swoop, you know. I appreciate you tuning in. I know your time's valuable, and we've still got a few spots left. If you guys want to try to do a last minute registration, it's summerbash at barzindustrial.com to register for a bash attendance, and I'll get you all the information you need as soon as you email that address. All right, we're in snap count now for Summer Bash. 2 weeks till Summer Bash. We'll see you there.